Tired of Aisensy accessing your Facebook data and want to break free? This video shows you exactly how to remove Aisensy from your Facebook account, step by step. First, log into your Facebook account on a computer. This process is much easier on a desktop. Once you are logged in, navigate to your Facebook settings, look for the Settings and Privacy option, then click on Settings in the Settings menu, find and click on Apps and Websites. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps and websites that have access to your Facebook data. Scroll through the list until you find Aisensy. Check the box next to Aisensy. Once selected, a Remove button will appear. Click on the Remove button. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure you want to remove Aisensy. Importantly, make sure to check the box that says something like delete all posts, videos or events Aisensy posted on your timeline. This ensures that Aisensy's access and data associated with it is completely removed from your profile. After checking the box, click the final Remove button. And just like that, Aisensy is removed from your Facebook account. You've successfully disconnected the integration and revoked its permissions. Your data privacy is now secured from Aisensy. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.